Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by removing the mechanical key from the fob by pressing the release and sliding the key out. Set it aside. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to open the seam of the fob without scratching plastic. The Nissan Pathfinder key fob uses a 3.0 VCR 2032 coin cell battery in most model years, so verify your model before buying. Work on a soft surface to avoid losing clips and make sure your hands are dry. Static or metal tools should not contact the battery terminals directly. Once the fob halves are separated, note the battery orientation before removing the old CR 2032 so you can install the new cell the same way. Use your fingernail or a plastic pry tool to lift the old battery straight out, avoiding metal tools that could short the cell or damage contacts. Inspect the contacts for corrosion and clean gently with isopropyl alcohol if needed. Allow it to dry. Install a new CR 2032 with the positive side facing up and press gently. After seating the battery, align the fob halves and snap them together until you hear an audible click on all sides. Avoid forcing; they should close smoothly. Reinsert the mechanical key into its slot. Test the fob by pressing lock and unlock from 3 to 10 feet away to confirm signal and LED function. Also test trunk release and panic if available. If the fob does not work, recheck battery orientation, clean contacts, reseat the battery, and replace the fob shell if clips are broken, or consult a dealer for programming checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.